Hey folks, here Rachana Ranade here, and I welcome you all to a Friday live stream. Uh, I, of course, not a planned live stream. I'm here in Mumbai. I have my event today. Tomorrow, I have my event tomorrow at Borivali. But today a lot of messages that I received, even on my mobile as well as on office numbers, that if I could just tell quickly about why markets fell today. For those who attended my yesterday's live stream, I had told that there is one very crucial level that we should really watch out for, which is the level of 24,800. Why had I said it is 24,800? That also I'll quickly revise. And has that level been broken today? Answer is unfortunately yes. A quick check on why did we break that level today? What was the key reason for that? So this is going to be a very short stream. I don't intend to take it beyond 10 minutes. So let's quickly check out what happened in today's trade. So I'm just going to quickly share my screen. Um, okay, 1 second. Okay, here you go. You can see now. I'll just quickly tell you about the moving averages. 9 days moving average already gone. Okay, that's like a very small moving average. I mean, it's a very short term moving average that is typically checked. Okay, now if I talk about 20 days moving average, has that also been broken? Yes, gone. Now let's quickly check for 50 days moving average. If I check for 50 days moving average, if you check, gone. Okay, yesterday it was taken out. Today we also received a confirmation for 50-day moving average. Now two important levels. One is 150 days moving average, which will of course not have been broken, and it's very closer to that. So remember, this level is at 24,574. Okay, so 24,500, 24,600 for 150 demo. And if I'm talking about one more extremely important moving average, which is the 200 days moving average, now if you check that, that is at 25,400. Okay, so all in all, the next, and acha, if I talk about the swing lows now, so this is one swing low at 24,420. This is one more swing low, 24,354. So 20 now, immediate next supports, of course, 24,500, and next big support 24,350ish levels. Well, if that is broken, my god, we can test 24,000 levels. Um so I was really hoping that 24,800 is not broken, but because of one news by Donald Trump, things changed. And he, I'm sure everyone read about it. We are going to discuss about what did he tell about all the Nifty Pharma thing. But before that, let me just quickly share CNX Pharma index for you. And if you see here, CNX 2.14% gone in a single day. And if you check last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, in 5 days, this is like down by more than 5%. So, all in all, if you ask me, has there been a big. Why can't I see? How do I stop the screen sharing? Better now. Okay. So, main problem that happened is the pharma sector that actually made the market go in a downward direction today. And was there a news? Was there a reason for that? Answer is obviously yes. I'll just quickly show you Donald Trump's actual tweet, so that you get to know the exact wording, what were used. Let me just check if my screen is visible or not. Mm, okay, I think there was. Okay, 1 second, 1 second. All right, now this is visible, I guess. So if you see here, this was the actual tweet, or the post on Truth. Starting October 1st, 2025, we will be imposing 100% tariff on any branded or patented pharmaceutical products unless a company is building their pharmaceutical manufacturing plants in India. Now, building will be defined as breaking ground and or under construction basically, and therefore be no tariffs on these pharmaceutical products if construction has started. So he is actually, just giving all the bad sentiments right now for our Indian markets. Pharma was one sector which was exempted from tariffs till date, and today, 9 hours ago, he posted this, that we will be imposing 100% tariff on patented pharmaceutical products. But if it is being built in America, even if it's an under construction plant, still he's saying okay, then we will exempt them. Okay, he's just behind making products in America. Okay, anyways, now is that really a big thing for India? Now, for that, I'm just taking you to trading economics. This is about India exports of pharma products to USA. Now, if you see here, our pharma products have been continuously on a rise. Look at this. This was 3.62 billion back in 2013 to 8.72 billion now. Just to give you some context, 1 billion is 100 crores. Okay, and if you can see here, 2024 only pharma exports only to USA was 8.72 billion. So 872 crores, not rupees, 872 crores dollars. That is the export of pharmaceutical products to USA. And if a huge tariff is going to be levied on pharma, is that going to hurt the sentiment? Answer is yes. The only thing is that he has very clearly, I mean, it has been mentioned that generic medicines will be exempted. For us, majority of the exports do come from generic medicines, but again, look at this. While generic drugs are exempted, companies still face uncertainty over tariffs due to an investigation order by the US government under Section 232 to see whether pharma imports pose a threat to national security. So, in short, yes, he has said that okay, generic drugs will be exempt. Basically, generic drugs are where they are like non-branded. They have the same components in the medicine. The active pharmaceutical ingredient or the API will be there, which is important to cure your disease. But it will not be a branded product per se. Okay. Uh, so just to give you an example, there is a medicine, no specific name. It has paracetamol versus crocin. Now, crocin contains paracetamol. That will be a branded product. A medicine which is not properly branded has paracetamol in the exactly same proportion, that will be like a generic medicine. Is that exempt? Yes. Does India export a huge quantity of generic drugs to USA? Answer is yes. Is that exempt? Yes, but he has said that we will still investigate under Section 232 to see whether these pharma imports are posing a threat to national security or not. In short, he is just behind the overall sentiment. He's ensuring that there is, in Marathi we say tangti talwar rahili pahije. It means that uncertainty should always prevail is what he's just trying to ensure. uh, and with this, if you see some stocks today, crazy. I mean, I think Walkart went down by more than 9%. Even if you check, I mean, all stocks, all pharma stocks which have an exposure uh, to the US markets, there, the stocks are down anywhere between 2% to 10%. It's crazy to see how the the overall pharma space is reacting to this. So it'll be really interesting to see at what level do we sustain this downfall. As I told you, now 24,800 is gone. 24,300, 400 will be next important support. But overall, it's all because of Mr. Donald Trump that this whole point of market stability is being questioned. So just wanted to quickly tell you about the latest development in the pharma sector today. Let's see what he really discusses. I mean, does he come up with more and more clarifications on this, because he's very famous for that, right? Even for H1B visa, he did the same thing. First he said that huge H1B visa fee will be levied now, and then he just kept on giving clarifications and clarifications. So there's a possibility. We never say no for Trump. He may come up with certain clarifications as well. But as of now, what we know is that the pharma sector is now pushed into a negative sentiment until and unless few more clarifications come up, right? So just wanted to quickly update you on that before I leave. I told you in the beginning as well, I'm here in Mumbai right now. I'm speaking slowly. uh, Akshay is sleeping at the back. Okay. So anyways, talking about the event, I have my event tomorrow, Mumbai, which is at Borivali. It is tomorrow. I'll just quickly share my screen and show you as well. um, Pooja, if you can just share the QR code. I just got to know something new, a new feature by uh, StreamYard. So Pooja will just display the QR code link for Mumbai event. So I'm just sharing my screen. Anyone who is here, we are going to talk about what's happening in the market right now in the event as well. That's the Harghar Investor event that is happening tomorrow. It's at 11 a.m. at Prabodhankar Thakre Auditorium. Definitely would want to see you all in large numbers. One more quick announcement on the Har Ghar Investor Hyderabad event. It's an early bird offer that we are giving 100 rupees off on all these tickets. The ticket pricing when it comes up on Book My Show, it will be 1,800 and 600. Before it goes live on Book My Show, maybe 3 4 more days to go. But till then, we are giving 100 rupees off on all tickets here. Plus, it's a normal payment page link, so no convenience charges of Book My Show as well, right? So you save a lot. Anyway, so I hope this helps, and hope to see you all in large numbers. As I said, it's not going to be a normal live stream, which wherein we have a lot of question answers. It was just a quick update on why markets fell today, mainly because of the pharma thing. Uh, Okay, Rajesh says already booked for Hyderabad. Nice. See you soon, Rajesh. Yes. Okay. So that was just a quick update for everyone. I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Jai Hind and bye bye.